feeling of coming in the gym. I'm getting the feeling of coming at home. I'm getting the feeling of coming backstage when I pump up, when I pose out in front of 5,000 people. I get the same feeling. So I'm coming day and night. I mean, it's terrific, right? So, you know, I'm in heaven.
Get some chips.
No, just get that cinnamon. No, cinnamon
I'm not eating that bullshit. I'm gonna eat good shit. We're sharing chips.
Wait, all right, we gotta get mild sauce though.
Oh, bro, I was about to say that shit went up.
It went up to $30.
That should say free. We'll get some chips for sure.
No, get cheesy Fiesta potatoes.
Bro, it's only in a little bowl though. It's like it's not shareable.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. Take that shit off.
Wait.
Fuck that, man. Actually, hold on. I need to.
I'll just show all your credit card information.
I need to.
He puts CHADWICKED.
I'm gonna do something different today.
No, don't cancel it. Brad Pitt.
That's in it fucking awesome part everything.
I threw it on a blower.
Bro, chill out. What's your fucking chicken? Listen here, bro.
Your shit little as fuck. On beefy.
Well, they had to do it like that so they could fit my shit in there.
But mine's got everything in it. Like when I'm here, they always do Christian ads so dirty. Like, bro, I bet you when you come alone, like, when he comes alone, he probably gets the beefiest fucking burrito.
Dude,
and then,
bro, before they made this place, the other Taco Bell, bro, whenever
perfect.
Yeah, bro, like, absolutely, like, that shit was just,
it was so
about
good.
It was just fucking,
and it was quick. It was a quick drive in and leave.
yeah, and it was a fucking here and now.
It was so good.
But I used to get 2 steak quesadillas. That's why I used to fucking get them loaded as fuck. But I just had to stop doing that because I was getting fat.
Bro's insecure. Yep. Motherfuckers, it came in. Hold on. I just woke up, so it just got here as soon as I woke up, because I woke up in the afternoon because I got work tonight. But the shipment of Young LA finally here. By the way, this is, if you guys don't know, this is the brand I want to get sponsored by, and this is why I buy their shit. Because one day I plan to get sponsored by them. Basically, I got these with the all white, all black, all red, I meant, fucking Young LA shirt. It's pretty fucking lit. And then I got a black just like this.
If it don't fit, make it fit.
Did you drop it?
No.
Why does it keep cutting off?
I slowed down too much.
Guys, he definitely just dropped it. Did you drop it?
Oh, I just slowed down and it stopped.
Because you didn't pull in the clutch.
I gotta get better at this shit. Hold on.
Do it in first. It's easier. Damn, don't slam it down. You already know that bitch is damn broken.
Yeah, I forgot. My bad.
There you go. Ah! Guys, Ice on a dirt bike. He's gonna die. Oh, my croc just ripped out one of my toe hairs. Ow. And my crocs are pink. Well, these ain't even fucking Crocs. I don't know. Stole them from my sister.
For real?
Yeah.
You think I'm gonna bust my ass that bad?
Probably. Here, let me turn it around. So then you don't have to go over this. Does it run good, don't it?
I'm killing myself right now.
This thing's got a lot of torque. So, whenever you're in first...
Is it way different from a street legal?
Not really.
How do I strap this? I never wear a helmet when I ride dirt bike.
We can look cute together. Let me strap your helmet.
It's just like, womp, womp.
No, come in. Head up.
Ow! Fuck!
It's gotta be tight. It's gotta be tight. Put your fucking head up.
Is there a blinder? Ah!
Good. Good. You're so autistic.
I just hit the gas right away, fast as
Alright, remember, don't let your shit touch that. You want me to put it in neutral?
Is it not in neutral?
No, it is. That's in first. Okay. See if I can find neutral. Sit down on it.
Okay.
Do not give that thing full fucking throttle. Alright, put the kickstand up.
Hold on. Where's the...
Look. Alright. Quick, you fucking joint. Put up the kickstand.
Wait, this shit. Wait, how are you this tall?
Put up the kickstand.
Wait, I can't because you're holding it. Am I supposed to lean this?
Alright.
Damn, this shit little as fuck.
Okay, pull in the clutch. All the way. Okay, now you're in first. Give it a little bit of gas. A tiny bit. No. Literally look like this. And then ease off on the clutch. And then put your feet up. And then you pull in this again. And then push up. Like put your foot in there, push up. And then let go and then this shit on? Oh yeah! No! Oh my god. Shift! He don't know how to shift. He don't know how to shift. He's gonna kill himself. He's gonna kill himself, guys. Last you'll see if I so easy I'm taking over the channel. He's gonna die. Pretty much, yeah. Pretty much all it is right there. But yeah, he's gonna fucking die.
Okay.
Now put your feet down. No, pull in the clutch and hold it.
It is a... Damn. Okay, dog.
I have no clue how the fuck you had this set up, so I was
Damn, that shit was easy.
I was just holding it the whole time, saying I was just gonna fucking die.
That shit was easy.
Yeah, you know this is easy.
Go again? Bro, I like how you was like,
Okay, no.
No, you was like, gently.
What gear did you get it to?
Second.
Oh, no, that ain't gonna work. We gotta take it back here.
Huh?
Put it on, get off. Look. That, my brother, not supposed to be like that far down.
So we gotta hammer it back in?
No, yeah, pretty much. You pressed
get
on
the hammer.